I decided to continue my chunky granny square experiments with our cotton tube yarn. So this is our dandelion color, and I began with a magic circle. And if you saw in one of my previous videos, I reworked this centerpiece several times before deciding on this look to begin with. And then I switched to our white cotton tube yarn for the next row. The inspiration for this color combo actually came from the paper daisies that I have hanging up in my studio. My father-in-law got them for me, and they just make me so happy whenever I see them. So I decided to go with the same colors. Once I landed on this color combo, I knew I wanted to use my Moody Meadow patterned yarn, but I wasn't sure on the other color. I settled on this teal, and I'm really happy that I did. It's such a pretty color, and I love the contrast between the dark and the white right next to each other. I really wanted this piece to mimic the flowers not only hanging in my studios, but also the little flowers that are on this printed yarn. Once I was done with the border of the granny square, it was time to flip it over and finish all the ends. And then flip it back over, and this is the completed look. I'm seriously obsessed with this color combo and the design, and even though a daisy was kind of the inspiration of it, it kind of reminds me a little bit more of a starburst. I filmed the entire process, and my plan is to make a video tutorial, so let me know in the comments if that's something you're interested in.